1994 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 25th Anniversary Edition Trans Am. And listen to this, clean Carfax, actual mile car, only 23,586 on this one at the moment. 3-owner car is all. Of course, 5.7 liter V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, 700 R4, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front fascia. You can see paint's in nice shape on this one. Of course, the 25th anniversary colors with white and blue, and that is the 21st anniversary of the Trans Am. Of course, the Firebird coming out in 67. All right, still pictures. So you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. The correct white anniversary wheels, radial tires. Technician did note that the radial tires, just due to age, before you put on too many miles, may want to consider replacing those. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint shows well on this one. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a little imperfection or a touch-up from a pebble chip, what have you. But again, overall, you can see this one shows well. And white on white. Leather bucket seat, center console. Does have the upgraded AM/FM CD player with equalizer. Does have the lock code display. You need to retrieve a code for that. GM dealer maybe it will help. CC1 T-top car. You can see the rubber gaskets, nice and pliable. Those are in great shape. You'll see the T-tops pictured in and out of the car in the still pictures. In the back there is also the 25th anniversary. It looks like car cover that will go along with it. We take a look at the rear of the car, of course, dual exhaust. The wing is in nice shape on this one. Sometimes, I can't remember if it was this body style this year that had those pedestals that once in a while would crack, but the wing is in good shape. And again, all those still pics, over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. This is going to come with the window sticker, build sheet, owner's manuals, some other delivery paperwork, and again, you'll see that in the still pics. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one. Serpentine belt, good shape, brakes straight, 85% front, 65% rear as far as the percentage of brakes left. And AC may need to be recharged so it wasn't blowing cold. Compressor will kick on and kick off if it was charged. Up and down the driver's side, again, you can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like Pontiacs, Trans Ams, Firebirds, any of the above, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. There's the 25th anniversary insignia in the door panel. Of course, all your modern amenities. Good looking bucket seats here in nice shape. More of the Trans Am 25th anniversary embroidery. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. All right, how about exact miles? There they are, 23,586. If you can see that, there we go. It's fired up. So 5.7 liter in the anniversary edition. V8, automatic. Check out those headlights. No problems there. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood, but first, let's listen. Sounds as you'd expect. And let's check out this engine bay. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive too. So Hood strut's good shape. Hood liner. This thing's not been driven in climate weather, that's obvious. There it is. LT1. Pretty stock looking engine bay. Three-owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 23,586. It's a 1994 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 25th Anniversary Edition. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1994 Pontiac Firebird, the 25th Anniversary Edition. White and charcoal, starkly contrasting on this interior, looking very good. This is an automatic on the center console, so if you're looking for an easy to drive Firebird, this is one of them. T-tops over my head, of course. Very nice acceleration and nice firm shift from the automatic transmission. At 55 miles an hour, only turning about 1,600 RPM, so easy cruising in this car, and probably better miles per gallon than you'd expect. Our temperature gauge is approximately 170 to 180 degrees. Oil pressure 45 psi to 55 psi. The battery's charging over 14 volts and the fuel tank shows almost 3/4 of a tank. The blower motor does work on this car. The wiper's also working. Beautiful interior. The odometer is showing some low miles, and I believe it. They look like they're correct because this car is in very nice condition. Brakes nice and smooth. Very good running car. Corners quite flat as well. Firebird, one of Pontiac's performance cars, and it does perform. Kickdown working on the automatic transmission. Very comfortable seating in this car. Find all the pictures of this beautiful Trans Am at uniqueclassiccars.com.